John Frothyhead Little is Jack Nicholson, starring in the Feel Yourself movie event of the season, with Ben Wolkemer as South Park's Eric Cartman playing Helen Hunt. If you think you're
normal, have you looked at yourself lately? You're not exactly normal.
I am a beautiful woman.
Beautiful hell, I've dated silverback gorillas with less body hair than you.
Well, I am working on that with my electrician. My electrostatic debilitating. The guy who pulls out my hair.
Yeah, well, you ain't working too damn fast.
It works by the hour. That bastard. Tell me how beautiful I am.
I haven't had quite enough liquor yet.
And you pay me just one honest compliment?
Pay you a compliment.
Just one honest compliment?
Alright, you work a lot cheaper than most of the whores I date.
That's the nicest thing anyone has ever said to me.
Join Sean and Ben in As Bad as It Gets, coming to theaters this spring.